We have a very, very rich culture, born out from the way we were able to adapt to the land and to the seas. And that defines you as a people. From that hardship, it shaped the character of the Ilocano. Loyalty, industry, for them to be able to eke out a living and be able to survive the harsh conditions. This infertile land needs people to be very, very industrious. They know the value of labor. Naturally, magiging kuripot ka, kasi you will have to be very watchful about spending too much dahil sa hirap na hirap. The kuripotness of Ilocanos, it's rightly placed. They save their money for education, for upward mobility. Ilocano is slow food movement, which antedated anything that happened in Europe. It must be the right flank that needs to be used for that particular purpose. Sa kawa, at umaamoy na ng konti yung pork. They take it out from the boiling kawa for maybe an hour or 2 hours. Ipapasok ulit doon sa boiling lard. Matagal na slow boil yan. And then that's what makes the beautiful texture of bagnet and the color. The right consistency and the right smell for that particular bagnet. You cannot have Ilocano without bagnet. Our meals are very, very simple but nutritious. Yung empanada, munggo nung araw yan and papaya. Later on, dinagdag na lang yung itlog at yung langgonisa. But now, a lot of people use that as a full meal. Magpapabili ka ng empanada, that's lunch, dinner. Sa Batak. Ano lahat ng mga tao, pamilya-pamilya going there. The Malacanang of the North, siyempre, is grand, overlooking the lake just like any of the palaces in Europe. It was made of materials coming from the north. The bricks were made from Santosnara. They were sourced out from part of the Cordilleras. And the quintessential tropical palace with wide windows and ventanillas. It's a showcase of the grandness of Ilocano nation. Paway Church. It's earthquake baroque. Kita mo, cathedral na cathedral, ang ganda, European na sana. Pero if you go to the sides, it comes like Borobudur. Distinctive yung Ilocano yan. Majestic, di ba? You see Paway Church and at dusk when the corals turn pink. No other site in the Philippines can match that. It's about going back to where you come from. I wanted to recreate that in situ, to showcase what the Ilocano culture is all about. The culture was all about. And preserving that is a very important thing that we should be doing. I have a passion for that. I want every Ilocano to be proud of what they came from. Because it is the one which nurtured their being